When we're practicing speech sounds, we're either right or wrong, right? Wrong. Well, kind of. Hi, I'm Lindsey Hockel, an SLP and R sound specialist. My mission is to help you rock the R. So today we're going to talk about the concept of the R spectrum. What is the R spectrum, you ask? Something that I'm pretty sure I made up, but it makes a whole lot of sense. So hang in there with me. Usually when we're practicing speech sounds, we think of it as either correct or incorrect. But what if we thought about the R as existing on a spectrum? Here we have an incorrect production, but over here we have a true, accurate R sound. What if in the middle, it's not just wrong, 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 correct? What if we think of it as wrong, better, better, closer, 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 closer. That's it. We call what happens over here that's close to a correct R, but not quite, an approximation. And that's a fancy word for not quite it, but getting there. So when we're working on the R, we can actually shape these approximations to get better and better and better and closer and closer and closer until finally one day it will be an R. Let me show you what I mean by this. And now buckle up because you're about to get really close to my mouth.
To say the R sound, we need the sides of our tongue going up and touching inside the top molars. We pull the tongue back towards our throat. Tongue tip is up and the body of the tongue is down.
Not my best angle, I know, but I hope it was helpful for you to see that. Now let's do that again. But this time I'm gonna turn my voice on. I want you to listen and see if you can hear as my R goes up and down the R spectrum, getting closer and further away from a true R sound. You hear how when I played with my tongue placement, I could make it closer or further from an R sound depending on how close my tongue placement was to an accurate R? That means when you're practicing and you're trying to get a good R sound, if you're listening, you can hear if you're getting closer and closer and closer because the R is on a spectrum. This is great news because that means even if you've been struggling with the R for a while, you can still get credit for moving up on the R spectrum.
Yay!
So try not to be discouraged, even if it's not a truly accurate R, which it's important for us to talk about. If it's not, because I don't want you practicing incorrectly and thinking it's right if it's not, but it is still a win if you're moving up along that R spectrum. If this concept of the R spectrum was helpful for you, then please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Again, I'm Lindsey Hockel. Thanks so much for watching. Now keep working hard on getting further along on that R spectrum. I know you're gonna rock the R. Good luck.